GeoByte.
Hello friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss how to multiply the two-digit numbers. Look at the two-digit numbers. 69 into 49, 61 into 41, 56 into 56, 66 into 46. Dear friends, if you observe closely, look at the ones place digit for the all numbers remain same. Ones place digit for the all numbering remain same. Here condition is ones place digit, ones place digit is same. And other condition is you just add the 6 and 4, you are getting 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Similarly for the second number, 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So other condition is summation of tens digit, tens place digit, tens place digit is 10. Two conditions. Ones place digit is same, summation of tens place digit is 10. You can do this calculation by regular approach, but it takes more time. Let us discuss how can we complete this multiplication very quickly, like in 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Let us take the very first one. The very first one is 69 into 49. Look at the first number 69 into 49. Once again here the ones place digit remains same and summation of tens place digits equal to 10. For this case, what you do is you multiply ones place digits first. 9 into 9, it is equal to 81. You write that 81 here. Then what you do is you multiply tens place digits. 6 into 4 plus what is the common number for the both digits? The common number for both cases is 9. Add that 9. Add the common number. 6 into 4, 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. You put that 33 here for getting your answer. Therefore, 69 into 49 equal to 3381. I hope you got my point. Similarly, let us take the other multiplication. Look at the multiplication numbers. Here the ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. Then what you do? You multiply the ones place digits first. 1 into 1. How much it is? 1. But always write in terms of two digits. Write the 0 1. You put that 0 1 here. Then what you do? You have to multiply the tens place digits. 6 into 4. Then what you have to do? You have to add the common number. What is the common number for both cases? Common number is 1. Add that value 1. It is equal to 6 into 4 24 plus 1 25. You write that value for getting your answer. So 61 into 41 equal to 2501. I hope you clearly got my point. Similarly, let us take some other numbers. Look at the Next multiplication number. Here ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. Then what you have to do? You multiply 6 and 6 first. 6 into 6 how much? 36. You write that 36 here. Then what you have to do? You have to multiply tens place digits. 5 into 5. Then add the common number. Common digit is 6. So it is equal to 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6 is 31. You put that 31 here for getting your answer. Therefore, 56 into 56 is equal to 3136. I hope you clearly following. Let us move to the another multiplication number. Look at the numbers. 66 into 46. The ones place digit remains same. Summation of tens place digits 6 plus 4 is 10. In that case, first you have to multiply ones place digits 6 into 6. 6 into 6. How much? It is 36. You put that 36 here first. Then you multiply the tens place digits 6 into 4. Then what you have to do? You have to add the common number. Common digit is 6. It is equal to 30. 30. You write that 30 here for getting your answer. So 3036 is the answer for 66 into 46. It is easy, na? Very quickly you can complete it. Similarly, let us take some more multiplication numbers. Look at the numbers. 36 into 76. The ones place digit remains same. Summation of tens place digits is 10. Then what you do? Multiply 6 and 6. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Write that 36. Multiply 3 into 7. For that add the common digit. Common digit is 6. 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. You write that value for getting your answer. 2736 is the value for the multiplication of 36 into 76. I hope you are clearly following. Let us move to the some more multiplication numbers. Look at the number. The ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits is 10. Then what you have to do? Multiply 6 into 6 is equal to 36. You write that 36 here. Then multiply 8 into 2. 8 into 2, 1 minute. 8 into 2 plus common number. Common number is 6. It is equal to 22. You write that 22 here for getting your answer. Let us take some other multiplication numbers. 12 into 92. Ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. Then what you have to do? Multiply ones place digits. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. But you have to write 04 in terms of 2 digits. Write that value. Then multiply the tens place digits 9 into 1 plus add the common number. It is equal to 11. Then add that value here. So 1104 be the value of 92 into 12. I hope you understood. 33 into 73. Multiply 3 and 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9. But to be written in terms of 2 digits. 0, 9. Then multiply 3 and 7. 3 into 7. For that add the common digit, that is 3. It is equal to 24. Write that 24 here. Within seconds you can complete it. Similarly, let us move to the another multiplication number. Look at the numbering. The ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits is 10. Then multiply 4 and 4. Ones place digits 4 into 4 equal to 16. You put that 16 here. Then multiply the tens place digits 4 into 4, 4 into 6, not 4, 4 into 6, 4 into 6 plus add the common number. It is equal to 28. 28. Write that value. You got your answer. So 44 into 64 equal to 2816. Similarly, look at the numbering. Ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digit equal to 10. Then multiply 5 and 5. 5 into 5 equal to how much? 25. Write that 25 here. Multiply 9 and 1. Add the common number. Common digit is 5. It is equal to 14. So 14, 25 be the value of 95 into 15. Very quickly you can complete the multiplication. Similarly, look at the numbering. Ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. So first what you do? Multiply 2 and 2. 2 into 2. Answer is 4. But write 0, 4. 0, 4. Then multiply 7 into 3. 7 and 3. For that add the common number 2. It is equal to 23. So 2304 be the value of 72 into 32. Similarly, look at the number. The ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. Then multiply 7 and 7. 7 into 7, 49. Write that 49. Then 6 into 4 plus common digit. Common digit is 7. It is equal to 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. Write that 31 for getting your answer. Similarly, let us take last multiplication number. Look at the number. The ones place digit remains same. Sum of the tens place digits equal to 10. Then multiply 4 and 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Write that 16 here. Then multiply 9 and 1. 9 into 1. For that add the common digit 4. It is equal to 13. So 1316 be the value of 94 into 14. Dear friends, I hope you clearly understood. So the conditions for this multiplication is: first condition, the ones place digit remains same and sum of the tens place digit is equal to 10. Shall I give some problems for your work? Let me give some problems to do at home. You please practice these problems. 94 into 14 is how much? 73 into 33 is how much? 64 into 44 is how much? Similarly, 72 into 32 is how much? Dear friends, you practice these problems and send the answers to GeoByte. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.